Hello coders, in this part 5 of read underscore CSV, we are going to discuss about header parameter of read underscore CSV. So let's get started. So here you can see only one column name is given. Other column names are unnamed columns in marks underscore 2.csv that you can see over here. Unnamed 0, unnamed 2 and here only one column with name data. If you want to use the same data frame, then you can download it from my GitHub account. The link is given in the description below. So here column are not giving proper information about data because of this unnamed column, unnamed 0, unnamed 2. So we can see here actual column is at position number 1 that you can see over here because here position is 0, 1, 2, 3 likewise. So for that we have to use header parameter like this. Header is equal to 1. So this consider as a 0 and 1. So now our name, marks and grades are become our column identifier that you can see over here because of here header is equal to 1. So here it start with 0, 1, 2, 3 likewise. Now let I show you another example that you can see over here. In this data frame no header is given. So row of our data is become column header. So here by default header is 0. So please remember in Pandas data frame with no header, then it inferred it from first row. By default it consider as header 0. So here we have to give header is equal to none. Then here you can see Pandas automatically assign header 0, 1 and 2 as our column header. Let I show you this practically in the Jupyter notebook. Now let I first import pandas as pd. Shift enter to run the particular cell. Now let we load our dataset read underscore CSV. So in this example I am going to use marks underscore 2.csv that you can see over here. So only one column name is given. Other columns are unnamed columns that you can see over here. So now actual column available at this position. So for that we have to make header is equal to 1. Now that you can see over here, if in this parenthesis of read underscore CSV, if you press shift tab that you can see over here header, by default is infer, which means you can see over here row number or row numbers to use as the column names, and the start of the data, the default behavior is to infer the column names. If no names are passed, the behavior is identical to header 0 and column names are inferred from the first line of the file. If column names are passed explicitly, then the behavior is identical to header is equal to none. Now let I show you another example. Now let me load our dataset to explain you this example. Marks underscore 2 nh.csv that you can see over here. So in this data frame, as you can see, because of no header, our data is become column header that you can see over here. Actually this header is part of our data. So for that we have to write header is equal to none. Now as you can see over here, when we give header is equal to none, Pandas automatically created this column index 0, 1 and 2 for us. Thank you for watching.